Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. On this edition, we will go ahead and look at the electrocardiogram app, or ECG. So you do have to be wearing the watch, so I'll go ahead and put it on. Then we'll go ahead and log in. We'll go to our app right here. And mine is already set up, but yours will ask you a few questions to specifically to you. But once you get started, it asks you to hold your finger on the crown, and this button right at the top is the crown. So you hold your finger on there for 30 seconds. And that's it. It'll tell you your ECG. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you.